Welcome back. Lots of people took advantage of holiday shopping deals this past weekend. Adobe Analytics actually says Americans spent $9.1 billion online during Black Friday, up more than 2% from last year. For Cyber Monday, that number is expected to be even higher, climbing above $11 billion. That's up more than 5% compared to 2021. So people were having a good time shopping. Now with Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday behind us, let's not forget about those in need and the real meaning behind the season. It is Giving Tuesday. Joining us to talk about that is Jennifer Sampson, the president and CEO of the United Way of Metropolitan Dallas. Good morning to you. I'm glad to have you here on Midday. You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Happy Giving Tuesday.
Oh, thank you. Well, let's talk about a sizable gift that you guys are giving.
Yeah, today's a really special day. The holiday season is coming early for a lot of nonprofit community partners, thanks to the generosity of the Perot Foundation, the Perot family, who is making a very significant $15 million gift, which is historic. It's the largest single gift given to support United Way's work in our 98-year history. So it's significant because of its size, but also because of the impact that it will make against our Aspire United strategy to drive outcomes in education, income, and health.
That's a big deal. Now, how will this impact our North Texas community?
So United Way of Metropolitan Dallas will be supporting 144 different nonprofit partners.
Oh, wow.
Who are working tirelessly to ensure that kids are graduating ready for success, that families have access to financial stability and the tools that they need, and we have access to health care and health insurance.
Now, you know, some would say that, hey, we had to deal with a pandemic, slight recession here, inflation. What are you seeing happening in our communities?
Yeah, I'll say inflation is absolutely having an impact on our nonprofit partners. A dollar today does not go as far as it did a couple of years ago, but the donor community is resilient, and this is North Texas, and North Texans give, and they give generously. So today is all about generosity, inspiring hope, and ensuring that our nonprofit sector can be thriving and make big impact for years to come.
Yes, how can people truly get involved with Giving Tuesday?
Well, it's about giving, of course, and so we hope we can inspire giving to support United Way's Aspire United 2030 strategy, but it's so much more than that. Giving Tuesday is about generosity. It's about random acts of kindness. It's simple things, as simple as calling a neighbor, as simple as writing a note to a healthcare worker or community hero, calling your mom and saying, I love you and thank you. Random acts of kindness, when collaboration and community comes together, can drive tremendous outcomes and results for the world and North Texas.
It really can. Let's talk more about United Way and the resources that you guys have.
Yeah, so United Way, our strategy, as I mentioned, is focused on driving outcomes in education, income, and health. In education, we want to ensure that more kids are reading on grade level by 3rd grade. In income, we want to ensure that more young people are getting good jobs and keeping them and earning a living wage. And we want all citizens to have access to health insurance coverage.
How can people, I guess, get teamed up with United Way?
Yeah, well, we encourage people to go to our website at unitedwaydallas.org. You can give, and Giving Tuesday is a great way to give to support the Aspire United 2030 work. We're also very involved in volunteerism and welcome volunteers to help accelerate that generosity and engagement across the community 365 days a year.
Gosh, thank you so much for your passion and everything that you do in our community.
Thank you. Thanks for helping to tell the story.
Yes, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right. Now, we would like to think that every charity is legitimate, right? But there are some scammers out there, and we do want to make sure that you know what to look out for. Check this out here. Before you donate, experts say check the IRS website or charitynavigator.org to see if that charity is actually valid. If they ask you to make a donation in cash or gift card only, that is a red flag. If you get a phone call from someone asking for a donation, don't let them rush you. Go ahead and ask your questions. Also, check out how a charity will actually use your donation and what percentage of money donated will actually go to charitable work.